I have some exclusive deals, but usually I'll just sign over a few songs exclusive with certain companies that are my faves, you know, that I know will work hard for that song. But mostly non-exclusive. So that way I can be pitching.
You're like a free agent.
And you're a free agent. And also, there's different companies that do different things. Like some companies are in the reality TV world. That's basically what they pitch for. So I got my music in that. There are some companies that just work in the trailer world, promo world. So then they're working on that. They'll take all my like trailer promo songs. And then there's other companies that work in the TV space. There's other companies that work in the film space. I just got an opportunity to songwrite and score like with another producer for film. So that was honestly so good because it was in a down season. She would pay us on benchmarks. So once we got this amount done, then we got paid. This amount done, then we got paid. At the end, then we got paid. So I was like, oh, this is so great. And so I was songwriting so crazy. And I can't show anyone those songs, which is really hard because they're all secret. So people are like, what are you even doing with the music right now? I haven't seen anything you've been doing. I'm like, because I can't talk about it.